I am washing the dishes. I am organizing the closet. I am cleaning the stove. I am doing the laundry. I am ironing the clothes. I am folding the clothes. I am loading the dishwasher. I am unloading the dishwasher. I am changing the bed sheets. I am cleaning the fridge. I am wiping down the mirror. I am setting the table. I am scrubbing the bathtub. I am mopping the kitchen floor. I am cleaning the bathroom. I am cooking dinner. I am dusting the furniture. I am sweeping the floor. I am taking out the trash. I am putting away the groceries. I am wiping the glass door right now. I am feeding the pets. I am making breakfast. I am polishing the furniture. I am replacing light bulbs. I am sorting the mail. I am cleaning under the rug. I am sweeping the porch. I am taking the cat for a walk. I am tidying up the living room. I am vacuuming the living room. I am washing the car. I am watering the plants. I am wiping the kitchen counters. I am picking up toys. I am dusting the ceiling fans. I am wiping the door handles. I am cleaning the microwave. I am organizing the pantry. We are fixing the roof. We are fixing it this afternoon. I am dusting the shelves. I am dusting them today. We are moving the furniture. We are moving it around the room. I am changing the pillowcase. I am changing it right now. I am hanging the clothes. I am hanging them outside. I am answering the phone. I am answering it now. I am clearing the table. I am clearing it after dinner. I am shutting the door. I am shutting it quietly. I am opening the window. I am opening it for fresh air. I am charging the phone. I am charging it right now. I am hanging the clock on the wall. I am hanging it in the living room. I am putting the clothes in the suitcase. I am packing them in the suitcase now. I am putting ice cubes in the glass. I am adding ice cubes to the glass now. I am drying the dishes. I am drying them with a towel. I am taking a tissue out of the tissue box. I am pulling a tissue out right now. I am turning on the AC. I am switching on the AC right now. I am repairing the AC. I am fixing the AC right now. I am cooking the pasta. I am making the pasta now. I am cleaning the commode. I am scrubbing the commode right now. I am cleaning the kitchen cabinets. I am wiping down the kitchen cabinets now.